Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my Misfits box. I get it every 2 weeks, which is, I picked Tuesday, so figured I'd show you what it is. And no, this is not sponsored, nothing in that sort. I'm just trying to get all this good information out. So let's jump in. I kind of waited too long, so like this got a little wet, but they just recently started putting these cards in here where it tells you like an estimate on like, or not an estimate, but like pretty much like what you got, but not specifically what you got. It'll just give you a list of like, these are like the 5 kinds of greens that we sent out this week, and you know, you gotta just kind of guess which one you got. It's pretty, you know, if you know your vegetables, it's pretty easy to know what you got. I might have to put this on my chair just so I can see it better. So this is what it looks like, and there's also this card that got wet. I normally don't look at this, I just look when I first get it, but that's pretty much it. But it gives you like a recipe card of like what you could use with all the vegetables that you just got, which is pretty cool. But then it comes with these ice packs that I usually reuse. I like keep one and then recycle the rest. Pretty much what Misfits market box is you choose, I think they have 2 different size boxes. So mine is when I first signed up, it was $22, but now it's $26 with tax, I believe. Pretty affordable, and I love it because it's better than going to the grocery store and your produce expires with, not even expires, just sometimes you get bad stuff. Like I remember I got a pepper once, cut it open, it looked perfectly fine, it was nice and hard, and on the inside it was all mold, and it was really disgusting. So ever since then, I just looked into Misfits box and I just fell in love. And it works for me. So anyway, my box, I get 10 to 13 pounds of produce, and then there's also the larger box. I have the smaller box. There's a larger box that I believe it's like, it's a little bit more. It's like maybe 18 to 20 pounds of produce. I could be lying. I gotta like Google that. Let's see. Does anybody else have like a million tabs open when they open their internet? Okay. So yeah, I was right. The one that I have is 10 to 13 pounds, which is just enough for like 2 people, maybe 3. Like it's a lot of vegetables. And then there's the bigger box, which is 18 pounds to 22 pounds of mixed fruits and vegetables. And same thing with mine. Mine has fruits and veggies. It's not just vegetables. And you don't get to pick. I mean, there's add-ons that I've been seeing. Like every week they'll send you, I think Sunday is the latest where you can update your cart or your order and you can add on like different organic stuff. Misfits is all organic. The whole point of it is that they like rescued these fruits and veggies from like going into the trash because supermarkets will reject them and say like they're not perfect enough or whatever the case is. So Misfits like rescues them, and yeah, we get their not perfect produce, which sometimes it's not always bad. Like yeah, it'll have a bruise, but it's nothing bad. So it looks like I got romaine, which I probably should cut that up tonight. Otherwise, if I leave it in the fridge, it's gonna like wilt and get all gross. Ooh, this is something new. I got nice organic something, onions, some kind of onions. But yeah, I normally like wash everything and throw it on my towels, but because I'm trying to make this video, I'm not gonna wash them first. I'm just gonna show what I got and then wash and lay it out. And I got peppers. You can always use that for chili. We always get a ton of apples and grapefruit. And then they're usually pretty good. So like if you get green beans, which that's what this is, or if you get like jalapeno peppers, something that like you don't want touching your other produce. They'll put in this like, I don't know, this like storage bag kind of thing. I don't even know. Oh, it's a biodegradable bag. That was the word I was looking for. Ooh, butternut squash. So usually with this, because I never really ate squash really until I got this box or started getting this box. Oranges, clementines, whatever, same thing. What is this? I don't know. Oh, this is organic mangoes. They look totally different. I'm pretty sure these are beets. Yes, they are. Make some like beets and eggs kind of thing. I don't know if everybody's into that or ever heard of that, but it's pretty good. Potatoes. Got an onion too, but like this is what I mean. Like it's not perfect. Maybe if I put this on, it's a little better. Like it's not totally perfect, but obviously you're gonna cut off the skin, so like that like little mark right there is not even gonna be on the food that you're actually gonna use, if that makes sense. I mean, like, yeah, sometimes like that, it probably is good. I just gotta like cut it. But that's the thing, like one thing out of what, like 10 things, usually 10 to 15 things you get depending on like what week and what they send. Or one thing that is going to go bad is not a bad deal, you know? And that's it, besides that little piece of lettuce all the way at the bottom that I'm not gonna save. But I am not affiliated in any way. This is not sponsored, nothing. Not even there yet. But I know I do have a referral link, so if you did want to try it out, I'll link that down below. This is all of my produce. I try to keep the onions away a little bit, but all of this is gonna go in the fridge. And the onions I usually leave out. I don't put in the fridge, but that's everything. Now I'm gonna wash all this and put on my towel and okay. So I have a little bit more info on the referrals just because I don't want to give out the wrong information. How to join, like you would click on the link that I'm gonna link down below, or you can just go to misfits.com or misfitsmarket.com and sign up. But either way, you sign up whether you're using somebody's link or not. And if you use somebody's link, you'll automatically get 25% off your first subscription box. And say if you used mine, I would get 25% off as well in a future subscription box. So we both get the same like reward kind of, which is kind of cool. But other than that, that's pretty much like the referral program. And then once you sign up, you can have your friends and family sign up as well. So it's a win-win.